The welcome bike next 2026 BMW Motorrad lineup is specifically the newest evolution of BMW's mid-range adventure and street platform that's making a massive impact in the global motorcycle scene. BMW has always been known for premium engineering, long-distance comfort, and next-level electronic intelligence, but the 2026 update pushes everything further with more refinement, more tech, and noticeably better performance. Let's start with what makes this 2026 model so interesting. BMW has focused heavily on rider-centric innovation, enhancing both the engine and the chassis. At the heart of this motorcycle is the updated 900cc parallel twin platform, tuned for smoother power delivery, higher efficiency, and more usable to work at low to mid RPMs. Riders will instantly notice how responsive the throttle feels, especially during aggressive lane changes or quick acceleration out of corners. The engine now produces an estimated 108 horsepower and around 93 Nm of torque, giving it the right blend of punch and practicality. It's not overwhelming for new riders stepping into the premium segment, yet powerful enough for experienced riders who crave spirited weekend adventures. Beyond power, the 2026 BMW model introduces a significantly refined suspension setup with BMW's next-gen Dynamic SA. This electronically adjustable suspension automatically adapts to road surfaces, braking forces, and rider inputs. Whether you're sailing over broken tarmac, carving mountain roads, or cruising on long highways, the bike feels stable and planted. This kind of intelligent suspension is one of the standout advantages BMW brings over several competitors in this category. It eliminates guesswork and lets the motorcycle do the thinking for you. Moving on to the braking system, BMW sticks to its tradition of premium safety. The 2026 variant features dual 320mm front discs with radial-mounted calipers and a powerful single rear disc, all supported by BMW's advanced cornering ABS Pro. This means whether you are leaning into a turn or stopping hard on straight roads, the bike maintains impressive composure. The feedback at the lever is firm yet predictable, and the braking bite is strong without feeling overly aggressive. For urban riders weaving through traffic, this is a major confidence booster. Let's talk about the design because BMW has clearly blended tradition with modern aggression. The 2026 model features sharper lines, aerodynamic contours, and premium material finishes. The LED daytime running light is redesigned with a more futuristic hexagonal signature that instantly identifies the motorcycle as a BMW from a distance. The body panels feel tight, purposeful, and sculpted, minimizing unnecessary bulk while maximizing airflow efficiency. The redesigned fuel tank extends slightly toward the rider, offering better knee grip and improved ergonomics, especially during long rides. Speaking of ergonomics, BMW has always focused on rider comfort. The 2026 motorcycle features an upgraded seat structure with new foam density, offering better support for both rider and passenger. The handlebar position strikes a balance between sporty engagement and upright touring comfort. Taller riders will appreciate the generous legroom, while shorter riders get a more accessible seat height option thanks to BMW's adjustable saddle system. All of this makes the bike extremely versatile commuting, touring, weekend track sessions, or rough road exploration depending on the variant you choose. Now, one of the biggest upgrades is the 2026 TFT display system. BMW has introduced a brilliant 9.5-inch higher-resolution display with enhanced UI animations, smoother transitions, and faster Bluetooth pairing. The system integrates navigation, call management, ride modes, bike diagnostics, and even real-time tire pressure monitoring. A dedicated BMW Motorrad app syncs everything seamlessly, giving you a fully connected riding experience. Riders can also enjoy the optional Adaptive Rider Assistant, which offers lane change alerts, forward collision warnings, and blind spot monitoring, a tech that was once limited to luxury cars. Let's get into the riding modes because BMW has expanded the selection. Apart from the standard road, rain, and dynamic modes, the 2026 model introduces Smart Mode, which automatically calibrates throttle sensitivity, traction control levels, and suspension settings based on your riding style. This is one of the unique selling points of the new BMW lineup, through adaptive intelligence that learns from the rider. Another major improvement is the revised exhaust system. BMW has tuned it not just for emissions compliance but for richer acoustics. The 2026 exhaust note is deeper, crisper, and more aggressive, especially when the engine crosses 5,000 RPM. Whether you're cruising at low speeds or pushing hard on open roads, the sound adds a satisfying emotional layer to the riding experience. When it comes to build quality, BMW continues to set the benchmark. Everything feels premium, from the switchgear tactility to the vibration-free mirrors and the durable paint finish. Even small details like backlit controls, aerodynamic winglets, and the refined gear assist system contribute to an overall sense of engineering excellence. Now let's talk price. The 2026 BMW Motorrad model is expected to launch internationally at around $12,500 to $14,000, depending on the variant and optional electronic packages. While this places it firmly in the premium mid-range segment, the value it offers, especially in terms of technology, performance, and build quality, makes it a strong competitor against similar offerings from Yamaha, Honda, Triumph, and KTM. Ultimately, what makes the 2026 BMW Motorrad truly stand out is how it blends intelligence with raw capability. It's not just fast, it's smart. It's not just comfortably, it's adaptable. And it's not just stylish, it's engineered with purpose. For riders who want a motorcycle that respects tradition while embracing the future, the 2026 BMW offers one of the most well-rounded experiences you can find today. Whether you're upgrading from a 300 or 500cc machine, switching from another adventure platform, or simply looking for a premium motorcycle that enhances your entire riding lifestyle, the 2026 BMW Motorrad is absolutely worth your attention. It's a bike built for everyday practicality, long-distance comfort, and thrilling weekend exploration, all wrapped in BMW's signature style and engineering excellence.